If you've added an effect in CapCut on PC and now want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to delete applied effects from your video, whether the effect is sitting on the timeline as its own track or embedded directly into the clip. I'll also show you how to temporarily disable an effect instead of deleting it, which is super helpful if you want to keep your settings for later. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's get started. The first method is the most common, and it works when the effect shows up as a separate colored track on the timeline. In CapCut for PC, some effects appear as a purple or blue bar right above or below your main video clip. If that's what you see, click on that effect bar once to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when it becomes clearly active on the timeline. After that, just press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can also right-click the effect bar and choose Delete from the menu. This instantly removes the effect from your project, and your video will return to normal without that layer applied. Now, if you tried that and the effect did not appear as a separate track, don't worry because CapCut sometimes embeds effects directly into the clip itself. In that case, you need to remove it from inside the clip settings. Start by right-clicking your video clip on the timeline. From the menu that appears, look for Edit Effects and hover over it or click it. This opens a dedicated effects panel where CapCut lists the effects that are currently attached to that clip. Find the exact effect you want to remove, right-click it, and then click Delete. This method is especially useful when the effect is not visible as an independent layer, because it removes the effect from the clip itself instead of just deleting a timeline bar. If you don't want to permanently delete the effect, there's another option, and that is to temporarily turn it off. This is a smart move if you're still testing your edit or you want to preserve the effect settings for later use. To do this, first click on your video clip in the timeline so it is selected. Then, look to the top right editing panel, also called the player or editing panel. Make sure you are in the video tab, then open the basic setting. You should see a switch next to it. Toggle that switch off to hide the effect instantly. The great thing about this method is that nothing is permanently removed, so if you change your mind later, you can simply toggle it back on and restore the effect. So, to quickly recap, if the effect is on its own track, delete it directly from the timeline. If it's embedded in the clip, go into Edit Effects and remove it there. And if you only want to hide it temporarily, use the effect toggle in the basic video settings. These three methods should cover almost every situation when removing effects in CapCut on PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.